The warning parking climate service required in a Volvo hybrid vehicle means that the high voltage coolant heater doesn't work. And when you are in pure mode, the cabin heater will not blow warm air. The immediate solution for this is to turn to power mode to trigger your internal combustion engine to start, and it will heat up the coolant to give you warm air in the cabin. The only culprit for this message is the failing HVCH unit, which stands for high voltage coolant heater. So basically this is an electric heater that takes power from the high voltage hybrid battery and heats your cabin without using the gasoline engine. This was a very common fault in model years from 2017 and up to 2022. The only solution is to replace the HVCH. As far as I know, they are not repairable. There was a big service bulletin issued by Volvo in the United States. The bulletin described the symptoms and basically instructed dealerships to replace the HVCH without giving any further information about the reasons for this problem. If you're out of the warranty, the part will cost you over $400 if you buy it from an independent seller. Plus, it's about 2.5 hours of labor to replace the parts, so the labor cost should also be considered. But since the heater is a part of the high voltage system, you may try to fix it under the high voltage system warranty, which is much longer than the bumper-to-bumper warranty. But this depends on how your dealership documents it.